Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Gerel Matta. Today we're going to be doing this look right here. It's just going to be another get ready with me. It is pretty late right now and I'm trying to film as much as I can because I'm trying to catch up with all the eyeshadow palettes that I got from Colourpop. So yes, this is going to be the Colourpop, and I really thought that I had ordered the orange palette, but I did not. I opened the box and I only got 2 items, which I checked my receipt, I checked my email and everything, and it is definitely true. I did not order it. I am so upset with myself because I was going to, create something with the orange, but this is what I decided to create anyway because I did get this one right here. This is But First Quench It, and it is super cute. It is the Super Shock shadows and I got 4 of them. I end up using 3 of them as well as the Sol palette. So just in case you do have this palette, I also use this one, and I also use the P. Louise base, but you're going to see everything. I'm going to be showing it to you, and everything is going to be linked down below in the description area just in case you are interested. Of course, you don't have to do anything of what I did. You can just recreate something or get inspired by this look, of course, if you like it. And yeah, super summery, super like I'm still holding on to summer even though we are almost at the end of summer. Anyway, if you're interested in seeing how I created this look, please keep on watching. But before we get into the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. You can also click on the little bell so you can get notified whenever I upload a new video, which is every single week. And without further ado, let's get on to the video. So yeah, that's it for the video. That's it for the look. I hope that you get inspired by this look. I know that it's super bright and colorful and definitely not wearable, but I love it. I love it very much. I can definitely see myself wearing something like this to like a party or something like that. I like to go out to dinner with the girls. So yeah. Anyway, thank you so much for being here with me. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and I will see you next time. Bye.